Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will see some advanced robot which can be helpful in our day-to-day life. For that, if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button on. And do not forget to like and share. Number 5. T8 3D Spider. This spider look like real spider. This is made with 3D printer and this robot spider is controlled by remote controller. You will see many features in this robot. This robot is activated by switching on the button. This robot will walk like a spider due to mechanical motor. Number 4. Robotic eel. This robotic eel is specially designed and invented for deep sea project maintenance and to take care. In deep sea, human body cannot handle water pressure. There is a robot eel is designed. This robot is installed with light, camera and many more features. Due to this, it work very well, but it is only concept design. Number 3. Robotic lizard. This robotic is made in USA Robot Engineering College. This robot part is made with 3D printer and installed different mechanical motors which help robot to work like original lizard. Temporarily it works with 12-volt battery and no battery is installed in it. Number 2. Boston Dog. Boston Dynamics invention was for military and home and kitchen purpose. It can do work easily. This robot can be controlled with remote or autopilot mode. This type of robot can go any place. With this robot, we can defuse bomb and can be used in military, but it is in testing period. Number 1. Robotic insect. Human body and animal body, all parts work like mechanical gears and engine gears. So some American robotic inventors are observing dragonfly and trying to invent world's smallest robot. This robot is made with ultra lightweight solar panel. Due to it can fly without battery, but in night it is impossible to fly. So if you like the video, like, comment, share, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification on.